Hi everyone, right next to me is the D5C interactive flat panel display from Hikvision, an ultimate tool for smarter offices and classrooms. The whiteboard isn't just a replacement for traditional blackboards and projectors. It offers a variety of advanced features to assist in teaching and meetings. Let's take a look on how to use these advanced features on the whiteboard. First up, Multimedia Import. Open the button menu and select Insert Picture or Open Video to import media from the tablet. Whether it's an image or video, it appears as a floating window on the whiteboard canvas, ensuring it doesn't interfere with other tools. To import media from the web, simply open the built-in web browser, searching for your desired content, and long press to import it for editing. In addition to multimedia, we support importing common documents like PowerPoint, Word, Excel and PDF. Now I've imported a deck of PowerPoint slides, and as you can see, I can flip through the slides, edit and annotate them directly on the whiteboard, making everything highly efficient. Within the canvas, we also offer multi-user writing. Open the multi-user writing option and the canvas will split into two parts, supporting up to 3 sections. Let's give it a try. When two people write with different color pens, they can operate without interfering with each other. In complex information scenarios, visualization and managing data is essential. We offer various convenient visualization icons, including Excel tables and flowcharts for structured data presentation. For instance, inserting a flowchart allows you to extend multiple models for content input, simply by clicking a control point. Importing tables, adding or removing rows and columns, just like using a computer. Inputting numbers, just write it in. When a canvas becomes overcrowded, you can easily add a new page by clicking in the right corner, supporting up to 50 pages, providing plenty of space to work. Just like browsing different pages on a computer, you can preview and edit each page content by clicking on the page number. Faced with massive information, you may need to use the voting management function. Within the whiteboard, we support initiating votes to facilitate decision-making. For example, open the voting tool, input options 1 and 2, and participants can join the vote by scanning the QR code. After voting, we receive feedback from several votes, presenting it in a pie chart, making decisions easy. After each use of the whiteboard, you can save it as an image, PDF or VWB. Then share it by email or save it by scanning the QR code directly to your personal device for easy access and review. These advanced functions provide powerful tools for classroom teaching, team collaboration and information expression, making collaboration more efficient and achieving results more effectively. That's all for the advanced functions of the whiteboard. Thank you for watching. See you next time.